arbitrationagreements.org. So what is mandatory arbitration? Simply put, it's a method of resolving disputes without going to court. Parties in a disagreement agree, usually through a contract they both signed, to present their issues before an impartial third party called an arbitrator. This arbitrator listens, weighs the facts, and then comes up with a decision. Now you might be wondering, why choose mandatory arbitration over traditional court proceedings? Here are some compelling reasons. Speed. Did you know that on average, federal court cases can take more than 2 years from filing to trial? With arbitration, it's usually a matter of months. Confidentiality. Court proceedings are often public, but with mandatory arbitration, everything remains confidential. Flexibility. In arbitration, parties can set their own rules and select their arbitrator. It's quite customizable. Cost. Studies have shown that arbitration can be less expensive than litigation, sometimes by as much as 60%. That's a significant saving. Expertise. Arbitrators often have specific knowledge or expertise in the subject matter of the dispute, which can lead to more informed and appropriate decisions. Finality. Once an arbitrator makes a decision, it's usually binding. This means there's no long, drawn-out appeals process. By now, you might be getting the impression that mandatory arbitration is becoming a go-to method for many. And you'd be right. According to a study from the year 2020, over 60% of corporate contracts contained arbitration clauses. That's more than half. Do you need more information about mandatory arbitration? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. Successful companies depend on arbitration to save money. Also, what do you think about mandatory arbitration? Does it seem like a potential solution to resolving a dispute? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.